Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. You guys are welcome, both new and old subscribers. I appreciate you guys. You're welcome to my kitchen. This is Uke Nnadi kitchen. In my kitchen today, I want to share with you guys how to make chicken fried rice. The ingredients which I use in making this recipe will be listed on the description box. So this is the beginning of my rice. I had a chicken stock. I used the chicken stock that I have and made my rice. Here the rice is already cooked, parboiled. You can see it is sweet. You can even eat it like this without even stew because of the chicken stock. It is delicious. But then let's go into making the chicken for our chicken fried rice. I'm using chicken breast for this recipe. All you will do first is to pieces it, make it in cube. Then the next step is to season your chicken. I'm seasoning it with aromat, hot paprika, powdered nutmeg. I'm also using dry herb, black pepper. As usual, I don't mix black pepper anytime I'm cooking. I love it so much. The next step is to mix it. You can use your hand to mix this. It all depends on you what you prefer to mix it, but in whichever way, make sure that the whole ingredient you use in seasoning it mix very well with it to give it the obunga taste that you need. Now the chicken is ready to be fried. I have my clean pan on the fire. I'm just adding just a little oil on it to fry my chicken. You can see that apart from the oil, the little oil I added in the pot, the chicken is bringing in some water and oil also. All you will do is to stir it, turn it, mix it, make sure that the juice gets into the chicken, because you need to get a very sweet, tasty chicken for your chicken fried rice. Yes, you will just continue mixing it, turning it till all the juice, the oil, everything dry off. Then at this point, the next thing you will do is to introduce your vegetable. The first vegetable I introduced there is carrot, because you know carrot is more strong than all other vegetable I'm using for this recipe. The next vegetable in the pot is green peas. I also added spring onions. I have mixed bell pepper, yellow, red and green. Slice them all very well, then add it to the pot, and then you mix all the vegetable and the chicken you earlier fried together. At this point, you can also season your pot. It is beautiful and smelling good already. All you need to do now is to cover your pot. Allow it to just simmer or cook, how do I say it, for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, this is how my vegetable mix with my chicken look like. Yeah, this is too much for the quantity of rice I'm going to use for it. So what I will do now is to divide it into 2. Take the quantity that is okay for the rice that I'm using it for. So that is just what I'm doing here right now, dividing it into 2 portions. Guys, this is my chicken fried rice. Look at how beautiful this look. It doesn't look just beautiful, it is also delicious. If you love what you see, please give my video a thumbs up, share my video with your loved ones, and remember to subscribe. The subscription is free of charge. You are not paying any money. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.